Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn on the auto snapping feature on your CapCut PC app. So my one is on. As you can see, if I place it close to another video before or after me, it's going to snap in place because I really don't want to have gaps on it. So if this doesn't show up, that means it's off for you. Just go to the right and you're going to turn it on, or you're going to press N on your keyboard to turn it on and off. Maybe you've accidentally pressed N for some reasons while you were editing, but you're just going to either press N on your keyboard to turn it on or off, or press this. See, if I turn it off, I can't really snap it in place and it may overlap. So yeah, that is it. I do like having it on. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.